Hey guys, let's fry some delicious mackerel for your Kenkey and Banku. So I got this fresh fish from the fishmonger and it's already been gutted and cleaned. For the seasoning, which is my personal choice, I'm going to add some salt, some smoked paprika. I'm going to add some garlic granules, a little bit of hot curry powder, some dried rosemary, and one Onga shrimp seasoning, and that's it. Next, I'm going to mix it well and then cover it with some cling film and pop it in the fridge for about half an hour. Next, I'm going to heat up some extra virgin olive oil and add in a quarter of onion and 1 tablespoon of flour. And when it is hot, I'm going to fry my seasoned mackerel. I'll let it fry on one side for about 45 minutes and then flip it over and fry the other side. And when it's ready, I'm going to let the excess oil drain on some kitchen towel, and voila, my fish is ready. Guys, enjoy it with your Kenkey and Banku. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.